Greetings and welcome to part 10 of my theme titled The Pastor Edwards US $25 billion Eco-Tourism Program. Today's topic is understanding the decline in visitor numbers to Jamaica from 2017 to 2023. Topical discussion subjects are 1. Government's approach to using employment as a crime-fighting tool. 2. Acknowledging tourism as the driving force behind the Jamaican economy. 3. 10 consecutive quarters of sluggish tourism growth is failure. And 4. A 5% decline in visitor numbers between 2017 and 2023. Now, while the Prime Minister was breaking bread at the new high-tech bakery in Montego Bay recently, he said that
you will integrate technology in the plant to improve productivity. As you have said it, repetitive and routine actions, those will be replaced by technology. And therefore, the quality of the workforce that you will have will be a higher level trained workforce to take on higher order technical skills.
However, the Prime Minister's focus is misaligned in this direction because the people who are already in employment are not among those most vulnerable to crime involvement, but those who are not. The government, therefore, should place strong focus on the people who are out of employment as they are most vulnerable. The tourism minister said,
so tourism continues to be the driver of the economy of Jamaica. We boast the fact that the last 10 consecutive quarters since the onset of COVID, we have shown growth. We have gone back to our levels of employment of 170,000 Jamaicans across various areas. But
this means that an extra 10 million visitors would employ just over another 400,000 Jamaicans across all industries. This is the crime-fighting tool that the government should be focused on. The government needs to eradicate its elitism approach and put Jamaicans to work by rapidly increasing the tourism industry in Jamaica. The tourism minister rightly said that tourism continues to be the driver in the Jamaican economy. However, he wants us to focus on the growth in visitor numbers from the 2020 pandemic lockdowns to the end of 2023. However, this 10 consecutive quarters of sluggish growth in visitor numbers is in itself a national failure. Many other Caribbean countries have recovered their 2019 figures at the end of 2022, while Jamaica still has not recovered its 2019 figures at the end of 2023. The government just doesn't seem to have its head screwed on when it comes to rapidly increasing visitor numbers to Jamaica. For example, the tourism minister has recently boasted about a record 4 million visitors arriving in Jamaica at the end of 2023. It would appear as though the tourism minister hasn't realized that Jamaica has broken the 4 million visitor barrier as far back as 2017. In fact, in 2017 figure is just under 4.3 million visitors, while the 2023 figure is just over 4.1 million visitors. Hence, there were over 100 250,000 less visitors in Jamaica in 2023 than they were in 2017. Now, this is part 10 of my current theme. Look out for part 11. And thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button, share this video, and leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless the Jamaican Parliament. And God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace.